In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to onboard a new employee to Asana. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring a smooth transition into using this powerful project management tool. First things first, you want to invite your new employee to join Asana. Start by adding them to your Asana workspace or organization. You can easily do this by sending an invitation to their email address. This step is crucial as it gives them access to the platform where all your team's collaboration magic happens. Once they are in, it's time to introduce them to the basics of Asana. Begin with a walkthrough of the dashboard. This is where they'll find different sections that are integral to their workflow. Point out the My Tasks section. This is where all tasks assigned to them will be listed. It keeps their project responsibilities organized and easily accessible. Next, introduce them to the Projects section. Here they can view and manage specific projects, allowing them to see the bigger picture and understand how their tasks fit into the team's goals. Also, make sure to show them the Teams section, which is essential for navigating the team structure within Asana. It helps them connect with team members and understand who's responsible for what. After they are familiar with the dashboard, introduce them to the different views available in Asana, such as list, board, and calendar views. Each view offers a unique way to look at projects and tasks, catering to different preferences and needs. Encourage them to explore these views to find the one that best fits their style of working. Next up, let's dive into task management. Demonstrate how to create a task. Show them how to assign it to someone, set due dates, and add necessary attachments. Then take them through commenting on tasks. This feature is incredibly useful for communicating with team members directly within the context of the task. Show them how to use task priority effectively by utilizing labels, tags, or custom fields. This helps track progress and keeps them focused on what's most important. Now, let's focus on collaboration and communication. Explain how Asana facilitates collaboration within tasks, projects, and teams. Show them how they can tag team members, share progress updates, and request feedback. This creates a seamless flow of information and ensures everyone is on the same page. Lastly, introduce them to the Asana inbox and notification system. Make sure they understand how notifications work, how to set their preferences, and how to manage their inbox. This will help them keep track of updates and never miss important communications. And there you have it, a structured onboarding process to get your new employee up and running with Asana. This approach not only boosts their confidence in using the tool, but also sets them up for success in managing tasks and collaborating effectively with the team.